Good morning. It's Glenda with our Sweet Home Life. Hope you all are having a good day today. And Happy New Year. I hope everyone has a good year coming up. And tonight we are going to go to a church get-together for New Year's Eve. And I'm going to take this perfectly moist spice cake by Duncan Hines. Now I don't mind using a cake mix, but I do like to use my own frosting. So today I'm going to be baking this cake, and I'm going to add some walnuts, probably about a half a cup, in my cake mix. But I'm just going to be following the directions on the back and add some walnuts to it. But I'll show you how I'm going to make the cream cheese frosting. It's going to be nothing but good, y'all, as Granny would say. And this is a follow-up from yesterday. I was making the spice cake to take to a party tonight at the church. It's a spice cake, and it's just a box cake. I believe it was Duncan Hines, and I just added some walnuts. And so this morning, I am making cream cheese frosting. So I have 8 ounces of cream cheese, softened. It's been sitting out here at room temperature. 1 stick of butter, sitting at room temperature. A teaspoon of vanilla, and just a dash of salt, about 1/4 of a teaspoon. And 4 cups of powdered sugar. So we're going to start by creaming our cream cheese and our butter together in our mixer. We'll start there. Okay, I have my cream cheese and my butter in my mixer. So I have the paddle on it, so we're going to blend those together. We'll add our spoon of vanilla, and I just usually use the lid. And our dash of salt. And just let that blend a little bit. Okay, I turned it up, and now it is blending, y'all. So then we'll add our powdered sugar. Measured out 4 cups of powdered sugar. And I'm just going to add it a little bit at a time. I think I need to cut it down. We're smoking over here. But we cut it down just a little bit. Don't want to do what I did last time. I got the spoon caught up in it, and the spoon went flying, y'all. We're going to cut it on down because it's still flying powdered sugar, y'all. This one could be on America's Funniest Videos, I believe. Hope y'all getting a good laugh at that. This frosting is going to be nothing but good. This is my daughter's favorite frosting, but you see how easy it is to make. This is pretty much all there is to it. So be careful and don't put your mixer on too high so you don't get the powdered sugar everywhere. Okay. We'll cut it up just a little bit to blend that sugar. Want to get that sugar mixed in really well. Now cut her on up, y'all. There she goes. She's blending those ingredients together. Looking good, y'all. Getting smooth. See how smooth and fluffy it's getting? That's what we want. Okay, there is my cake that I made yesterday. Look how good my frosting turned out. Doesn't that look delicious? going to spread some on. Maybe. I hope. Okay. So I'm just going to spread this on my cake, and I'll show you when I get done. This frosting is so good and so easy. So to me, there is no reason to buy pre-made frosting when it's so easy to make. I mean, you can have this made up in just a matter of minutes. Well, there she is, the beautiful cake. I used a spice cake mix. Just follow the directions. Super easy. I know all of you used cake mixes before. But this homemade frosting, which is super, super easy and just takes a few minutes if you have a stand mixer, puts this recipe over the top. And I did top mine with walnuts, but if you do not like walnuts, you can try pecans. Or if you don't like nuts at all, you don't have to put nuts on it. But it's going to be good, y'all. And I believe your friends and your family would really, really enjoy it. And also, you could make or purchase some caramel drizzle glaze if you'd like to top it with that. That'd be nothing but good, y'all. Thank you for joining us. And give us a like. And also, put in the comments a recipe that you would like for me to try. I love new recipes and would love to try some of your favorites. Thank you for watching. And we appreciate each and every one of you. See you next time at Our Sweet Home Life with Glenda and MoeJoe. Bye.